I'm out on the same trail as I was yesterday, but yesterday it was covered in snow and ice. And the warm temps, a little bit of rain, have changed the trail completely. There's still some ice. I'm not wearing my spikes or crampons, but I'm careful with my step, and there's a lot more water, obviously. It's very muddy. And I just love that the trail changes depending on the season, the weather. I feel like I've developed relationships with some of the trails, very watery, that I frequent. Pretty much done for the day. It's great to be outside. Goodbye, trail.